I would say you and yes, heeltemal reg. Parts of the country will see little rainfall over the coming months, but all year round, water conservation is a growing issue and a major concern as we continue to mismanage this precious resource. And yet to paint the picture is Sean Doal, Director of WSP Environmental Consultants, and Tiaan Pieanaar, Hansgrohe's Sales Manager. Good morning, guys. Welcome to eXpresso.
Good morning.
Why is water conservation globally such an important thing?
Well, it's an issue because, as we all know, we live on a phenomenally beautiful blue planet, but the proportion of fresh water that we have available is very limited. And as our population grows so fast, and as the proportion of population that is sitting in the urban environment, this creates increasing challenges to get water from where it is in the natural environment into our cities. And on top of that, we now have the challenge that with climate change, the distribution of where that water is, our weather patterns are changing, and this creates a huge challenge to get enough fresh water into our cities to provide for our populations.
And the challenges we're facing here in South Africa with water shortage?
Exactly the same, except for, like Australia, we are an arid country in the first place. So we struggle with water supply, available fresh water. We also have quality issues with the treatment of our water, quality of water we discharge into our riverine environment, and that means we are worsening what is available to us in terms of available fresh water to bring into our cities.
In terms of businesses and companies, what are they doing to save water?
They are doing a hell of a lot, actually. We have, as everyone knows, carbon has been a huge issue for quite some time, and we've had carbon disclosure of companies globally going back right to 2003. We are, as of last year, now seeing disclosure of water through what we call a water disclosure project. Last year, there was a global reporting of top 500 companies run by the CDP project. In South Africa, we are currently right now, as WSP, analysing data for top 100 companies that have disclosed their water footprints. They're measuring, and by measuring, you can then manage and look at how to save water. So we are definitely heading down the right direction.
Yes.
We are seeing companies take it very seriously.
And one such company is Hansgrohe. Tiaan,
Absolutely.
what are you guys doing?
Liesl, yes, we take this water issue very seriously, and in the manufacturing process, we take great care in the wastewater that we use in the manufacturing process and the recycling thereof, and also as the product life cycle from the material that we use right through to the disposal of the end product after its lifetime has ended.
And in terms of people, homes, what can we do in our own homes, Sean?
There's a huge amount we can do. And the first thing I would have to say as being part of creating Simply Green magazine is you've got to buy Simply Green magazine because it's got all the tips, it's on the shelves, it'll tell you what to do. But as an avid gardener, first step in the home, look at your garden. You're putting your veggies in, I hope, for summer. When you're buying plants to replace plants in the garden, buy indigenous because you're saving water. It makes life so much easier. Once you come inside the home, most important thing, what's going on in your bathroom, and there's really two aspects. Our old toilet systems, simple flush, the whole lot of water goes down the drain literally. New systems, dual flush, multi-flush, that all allow us to save the amount, but only use what we need. So that's a huge step to save water, really simple to replace and fit. And then, of course, we're talking about taps and fittings. A lot of people don't realise that the old-style fittings in your shower, in your tap fittings, release just as much water as can possibly come out of the tap. And we don't need that amount of water. Newer fittings that save water give you the same quality, the same experience of a shower, but saving water.
And the Hansgrohe products that are available on the shelves, obviously water-saving products.
Yes, we do. We manufacture a whole range of showers that are water-saving. Our shower that uses the least water is the 6 litre a minute Chroma.
Sure.
Chroma Eco Smart. And also, I think when people look at saving water in the household, rather having a shower than a bath that uses much less water, and also installing eco-friendly showers and basin mixers to help you save the water.
Well, guys, thank you so much for joining us in studio this morning and opening our eyes to this water crisis globally. If you want to find out more about any of the Hansgrohe products, go to their website, www.hansgrohe.co.za. It's now time to go over to you and to find out what's happening on eXpresso.
Stay with eXpresso and SABC3.